Oh, no,
the cats are doing it too.
Mom, you're falling asleep. Look at you.
Tired, girl.
Hold on, let me zoom in on you because you're looking crazy.
Look at your eyes. You got your eyelashes in your eye.
I'm sleeping. Tired now. Shoot. No, I can't sit still for too long.
Starting off the video, I am priming my mother's face with my e.l.f. primer. Basically, everything in this video is what I would typically use. Me and my mom are basically the same skin color. So, like, I'm using the Fenty foundation on here on her. Only thing I did differently was use a lighter shade of my L'Oreal, I forget what it's called, powder on her face, and it all worked out quite perfectly, actually. And actually, this is a clip of me adding that to her face, and then you'll see me in the next clip blending it all out. So, yeah.
Ew! I don't want to say it no more. I'm done looking.
Okay. Guilt your boat, mama.
You know I don't like this stuff. I don't like it when it's on you. Dad don't know I don't like it on me.
Now I am just filling in Mama Dukes' eyebrows with my e.l.f. eyebrow liner. She was very thrown off by her eyebrows. As you can see, they're very thin. She was like, why are they so dark? My mom's hilarious, but yeah. A pink eyeshadow to my mom's crease, and this is my attempt right now at trying to do a cut crease. It didn't really come out like a cut crease at all, but it still came out pretty cute. And here you see me trying to add a purplish color in, and I'm sorry guys that I don't have like the palette pictures like I did last time. I completely forgot about it. We had lots of fun recording this video. I love you, Mom. Now you see me adding a baby blue color to her crease. I don't know, it just seemed like the pink and the purple were just too, I don't know, too similar. I needed something to change it up and brighten it up, and the blue did just what I wanted. And yes, throughout this entire video, my mother was falling asleep. Yes, she just, as you've seen from the beginning of the video, claimed she cannot sit still for too long. But yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. My mom ended up really liking her look. And RIP to my nigga Wally. I hope I see you guys in my next one. Like and subscribe, and goodbye.
Well, just call me after I come to work.
Yeah.
Ready?
You done with her? You done? I love her eyebrows.
You better go get her stuff.
I love those eyebrows. Look at your highlight, girl. Your cheeks shining, 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 shining. Okay, say bye to YouTube. Bye. Ma, you're looking at. Bye.